Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I'm back here now because I have another parcel open, and this time I hope I got the camera switched on because I just cut along here and I thought, I don't remember turning that on. Oh, sorry. So this is from Hazel Macker, and she is in Queensland. We've known one another since YouTube. Since we've been here on YouTube. My goodness, Hazel, what have you done? Oh my goodness me. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. What have you done? Hope you can use these. Oh, oh my goodness, look at this. Isn't this awesome? Oh wow. Thank you. Got a bird on it. Okay. Wow. Congratulations on your first 5 great years on YouTube. Look at this card. Oh Hazel, this is awesome. Wow, I do love that. Thank you very much, darling. Thank you, Hazel. Hazel doesn't do YouTube channels, like she doesn't do things, but she does very good craft, and she's always out there for us to, and she comments on our channels and everything like that. This lady, she's a very nice, very lovely person. I have met her. She came and visited me one time. Thank you very much, Hazel. That is very kind. I do love that card. And she says, I hope I can use these. And this is my entry, she says. Okay, let's have a look at this. Is Hazel's entry. I'll just move that off to one side there for a minute. Oh dear, this is really cool. Look at this. Oh dear. Oh wow, thank you so much. Look at this. Oh, isn't this awesome? Oh dear, look. Isn't this pretty? Oh wow. Oh, I do like that. Thank you so much, Hazel. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you. A bit of a fold. Probably shouldn't do that. I might leave it open because it's... I don't want too many creases in there because then you got to iron them out. Oh, look at this one. This is nice too. Oh dear. Thank you. Oh dear, I love this. Oh, look at that. Oh, I do love that. Thank you so much. And I've got another bit. Oh, this is pretty. Oh dear, look at this. Wait a minute, I'll get it open. Oh, look at that. Oh, I do like that. Thank you so much, Hazel. That is awesome. Wow. Thank you. Oh, another piece. Oh dear, you ladies can't count or measure. Aren't I lucky? Oh, these are so nice. When I say that, I meant, you know, I said one piece, 5 by 8. But it's so nice that you've included all these bits. I really do love these. Thank you so much. Look at that. Oh, these are so nice. Thank you so much, Hazel. Oh, one with houses on it. Let me see. I'm upside down. Hang on. Am I upside down? Can't really tell. Oh, yeah, there's a roof there. Look. There's a roof with the aerial. Look at these. Oh, I do love these. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, dear, that's so good. Thank you so much, Hazel. Oh, isn't that lovely, darling? Thank you. And there's one here, she says, I hope I can use these. Okay, I'll try. I'll try really hard. Oh, I can't wait to get it open, and it's not working for me. Oh, goodness me. Oh, dear. Oh, wow. Oh, oh. There's some nice buttons. Look at this. Oh my goodness me, look at this. Oh, Hazel, look. Oh, it's got beads on. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Look, people, it's got beads on it. I mean, you know, they are actually beads on the thing because you can't get them off. Look, 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 look. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Isn't this awesome? Oh, dear. Oh my goodness me, you could have a dress made out of that, but not the back of it. You wouldn't sit down on the beds, it'd be... Well, the things I think about, truly. Isn't this awesome, Hazel? Thank you, darling. Where on earth did you get that from? Oh my goodness me, isn't that good? I know you didn't sew them on there because they've been put on with some sort of a stud thing, eh? Wow, look at that. Well, I've never seen anything like that before. Look at this one. Oh, dear, look at this. Oh, dear. Oh, my goodness me, Hazel. Oh, dear, look what you sent me. Oh dear, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my goodness me. Oh, I hope I can do these things justice when I do something with them. Oh dear, I love this. Oh, thank you, thank you. Look at this, it's the same like the crewel embroidery's done. Like, look at it. Ah, isn't it nice? Oh. Oh, what am I going to do with it? How am I going to make it look so good? Keep it nice and look. Oh my goodness, look at this. Is another bit. I'm not in. Oh my goodness me, look at that. Where did you get? I don't know, but they're so good, aren't they? So good. Oh, look at this. Oh dear. Aren't they so nice? Oh, thank you, Hazel. Look at that. I hope you don't mind if I send a tiny bit, just a tiny, like a tiny bit like that, to a couple of people. I hope you don't mind if I just share a tiny bit. Isn't this good? Oh dear, I love this. Thank you, thank you. Oh, Hazel, thank you, darling. That is so kind of you to send me. This is so beautiful. Oh, and there's another bit of velveteen. This is beautiful. Look at the colour of this. Oh wow, thank you so much, Hazel. This is just the thing, and look at the colour. Oh, look at it, and it's so soft and beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I've got enough here to make a gypsy book anyway, don't Oh, all these beautiful colours in it. Oh my goodness, look at this bit. This is a big sequence piece, look at it. Oh dear, look. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. Sound like a cat going wow wow, don't I? Sorry. Oh, look at it. And look, you know what? I love the bit on the end too. Oh dear, thank you. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. And she gave me heaps. She gave me heaps of every bit. Oh, Hazel, thank you, darling. That's so kind of you. Dearie me. You spoilt me. Oh dear, look at this one. Oh my goodness me, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, look at the colour. Oh, and look at it sparkle at you. Oh dear, look at that. Oh my goodness gracious me. Oh dear. Oh my goodness, I hope I can do these things, something with these that'll make them still look good when I'm finished. I don't want to wreck it. Oh dear. Oh, aren't they so nice? Thank you so much. I love this. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. That is so kind of you, Hazel. Aren't they beautiful, everybody? Look at them. Oh dear, aren't I so lucky? I feel so good about it, and then I feel a bit bad because I've got all these so nice things. Thank you. Thank you, darling. They're so good. Thank you very much. They are beautiful. Every piece is... She wonders if I can use it. Oh dear. When I've sat down and played with it for a while, I might be able to force myself. Oh dear. Oh wow, look at that. That is amazing. Thank you so much, Hazel, for all these beautiful pieces of fabric. And look at this. It's so kind of you to give me all this such goodies. Thank you, darling. Thank you very much. And I hope you're well. I know you have a lot of, you're not, you have a lot of issues with your health. And I hope this finds you well. And I hope that you're good. And I thank you so much for doing this for me. I really appreciate this. Thank you very much. And we'll talk to you all. And thank you, everybody, for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye.